Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best Tenkara rods out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 5. Aventik Z Tenkara Carbon Tube Packing Rods. The Aventik Z Tenkara are available in 5 sizes, from 9 feet or 2.7 meters to 12.9 feet or 3.9 meters. They can be used for bass, trout and predatory fish, also in any water conditions, including in the smallest streams. These rods are compact and easy to use, so perfect for the Tenkara fishing technique. They collapse into the 18.4 inches or 46 centimeters size, not to mention they each weigh about 2.4 ounces or 69 grams without their packing. Number 4. Tenkara USA Rhodo Telescopic Fly Fishing Rod. The Tenkara USA Rhodo Telescopic Fly Fishing Rod can be used at 3 different sizes: 8.10 inches or 2.70 meters, 9.9 inches or 2.97 centimeters and 10.6 inches or 3.20 centimeters. It weighs only 2.1 ounces or 59.5 grams, which means it's very lightweight and prevents hand fatigue. This rod has a very precise and crisp responsiveness with almost no backlash. Regardless of its length, it casts perfectly down and across wind. Number 3. Tenkara USA Rhodo Telescopic Fly Fishing Rod. The Tenkara USA Rhodo Telescopic Fly Fishing Rod can be used at 3 different sizes: 8.10 inches or 2.70 meters, 9.9 inches or 2.97 centimeters and 10.6 inches or 3.20 centimeters. It weighs only 2.1 ounces or 59.5 grams, which means it's very lightweight and prevents hand fatigue. This rod has a very precise and crisp responsiveness with almost no backlash. Regardless of its length, it casts perfectly down and across wind. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best Tenkara rods or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 2. Anglerdream Telescopic Carbon Fly Fishing Rod. Anglerdream Telescopic Carbon Fly Fishing Rod is available in 12 and 13 feet lengths, or 3.6 and 3.9 meters. With 7/3 action and 9 segments, it's strong enough for big fish and resists in a fight. It's made from 30T carbon fiber and has a AAA cork grip, which means it's comfortable and prevents fatigue. This rod collapses to 21.5 inches or 54.6 centimeters, which means it can be carried in the backpack and doesn't occupy too much space. It's durable and flexible, also the best option for beginner anglers. Number 1. Dragontail Tenkara Fly Fishing Rod. The Dragontail Tenkara Fly Fishing Rod is made from IM10 graphite that makes it lightweight and strong enough to handle fish of medium size. It comes with a starter package that includes 3 Tenkara flies, tippet, the leader, a line holder, a rod stock and a storage tube. This rod doesn't need to be used with a reel or other expensive fishing gear. It's 12 feet or 3.6 meters long and 2.9 ounces or 82 grams heavy. Featuring 9 segments, it offers the angler a lot of play, not to mention it's strong enough for larger trout. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.